Alright YouTubers, here's another product by Amazon. It's going to be an unboxing mainly, and then talk about it because it's going to take a little while to see if it works. I always do them this way when I've already told you what it's going to be in the title. Alright, so this is glue, this is something else. This stuff is supposed to be awesome. So I've heard a lot of really great stuff about this Sawyer brand. What it does is it's great for ticks, keeps them away. The active ingredient in it is permethrin, and apparently it's no joke kind of stuff. It works great. It puts DEET to shame from what I've heard. I've heard about it a little bit, and I watched it on my one of my favorite YouTube channels, 906 Outdoors. I think it's actually a TV show up in the UP, but they put it online, and I tend to watch that show a lot. And they did a really nice review about it, and it went along with everything else I had heard. Permethrin, basically, it's like whatever's in chrysanthemums. Apparently that's a natural bug repellent. Bugs just don't like chrysanthemums for some reason. But what you do with this stuff is you spray it on your clothes, and it apparently works great. And it's effective for 42 days or 6 washings. And I'd heard that it's true, and again, on that YouTube video the guy talks about it, he seemed to say it was pretty darn true. Messing around and getting Lyme disease is no joke. I've been fortunate. I got hairy legs, so when I've gotten ticks, I've usually felt them going through the hair on my legs and got them off quick. But I have gotten ticks on me, and luckily I've never got Lyme disease because, again, we make a joke about it, but people that get it say it is an actual ordeal. It's a terrible thing. So I'll be using this on my next trip and hopefully be able to tell you how it works. Because, you know, like I said, the hairs help. And I usually look like a doofus because I pull socks up really high trying to keep ticks off me when I'm out hiking through fields and woods and stuff like that. So yeah, you spray this right on your clothes. You can spray it on your tent, your sleeping bag, whatever fabric you want to. I've even considered, you know, spraying it around the RV a little bit. You never know, it might help. I got the smaller bottle, and it wasn't very expensive. And then this is also by Sawyer, and it's supposed to be great for ticks and mosquitoes just like the permethrin stuff is, but this is lotion. You put it on your body, so, and it lasts up to 14 hours. And again, everybody raves that this stuff is awesome, and if you try this, you'll never bother with DEET again, what I've heard. We'll let you know in some time. But both of them were not very expensive. The smaller sizes, they make bigger jugs of it if you need that much, and I'll put the price there for you. And what also came with it was a little spray attachment that you use to spray your clothes with. But, I mean, the idea of it actually staying on your clothes through a couple washings is pretty impressive. So we'll see if it works. I hope this was helpful. If you're interested in this, if you think you need something better than DEET, go check out it on Amazon and read the tons of reviews. I think it was almost 5 stars, and everything I saw when I read through it, what I saw in the video and what I've heard is true, that this stuff really works. Because again, you don't want to get Lyme disease, man. So protect yourself, protect your family. They even say you can use this on dogs, but not cats. I would still feel weird, and I would do the normal dog tick and flea stuff. Okay? Alright. Hope this was helpful, and like I said, maybe in a month or so when I'm out there, I'll tell you if I've noticed any benefits of this. It'll be hard to tell if it's kept ticks off me or if I was just getting lucky, but we'll see how it does with the mosquitoes. That's not hard to tell if it's working. They also say it's odorless, so I'll probably be spraying this on my shoes, my socks, everything. But let's open it up and see if there's an odor. You're going to have to take my word for it because we don't have smell-o-vision. Well, I wouldn't call it odorless, but when I'm smelling into a whole bottle, it's got a kerosene-ish kind of smell if you're smelling in the whole bottle. So we'll see. So we'll see if it's different once I spray it onto the clothes. but that should be pretty cool. Again, just trying to spread a little bit of help to some people. I can't tell you how well it works yet, but do some research as summer's coming along. Man, you don't want Lyme disease. Okay, I've rambled on too long. Check out Sawyer products. Nothing but good reviews from them. Have a great and wonderful day.